The A6300 is the Alpha family's flagship APS-C camera with the world's fastest autofocus and the ultimate in 4K movie clarity. The new and advanced 4D focus delivers the world's fastest autofocus speed of just 0.05 seconds, and the wide coverage with 425 autofocus points is also a world first. Each of these autofocus points is positioned throughout the entire image area, so your subject is guaranteed to stay in focus no matter where they are in the shot. Plus, with high-density tracking autofocus technology that seamlessly activates all of the autofocus points around your subject, getting that elusive fast-moving shot is simpler than ever before. The 24.2 megapixel Exmor CMOS sensor is of the best quality and is highly sensitive, capable of reaching ISO levels of up to 51200. The intelligent BIONZ X image processor works in conjunction with the sensor to minimize any image noise that might occur across the entire ISO range. The new design of the sensor has been constructed with copper wiring instead of the traditional aluminium wiring, which rapidly speeds up the readout speed and improves video recording. Talking of video recording, this camera reaches new levels of video quality with high-resolution 4K recording in the Super 35 format. While 4K quality requires 8 megapixels of data, this sensor outputs a huge 20 megapixels to the processor, giving you an outstanding picture with realistic depth and dimension. The XAVCS format is also a truly great format for capturing high-quality footage of up to 100 megabits per second and benefits from finer details with minimal compression noise. Whether you're looking to capture fast-moving shots or shoot exceptional quality 4K video, the A6300 is a fantastic camera.